Jayashree, your economics professor. I will be handling the paper Economics for Finance, which is a tag along with the paper Financial Management. This segment comprises of 40 marks and divided into 4 main segments: International Economics, Fiscal Economics, Monetary Economics and Macro Models. We give equal attention to all the 4 areas covered under the subject, and literally 50 hours of learning is being done. And my dear students, here this 50 hours is a platform where we are going to interact a lot and learn a lot on the current information as well. As you all know from your parent institute material that latest information are expected. Even during the pandemic, those information and policy changes were included. We have taken all the effort to include the data pertaining to the period 2020, 2021 and of course till date. So this classroom exercise will enable you to finish learning completely and you are ready for your examination, and you can also expect a very high score. Now, how is our material worked out? We all know that being a macroeconomics, current data or updated information is very important. So, we begin our material based on parent institute case examples, but we elaborate the case examples, updated information is added, explanatory notes are given and diagrammatic representation are elaborated in a most lucid form. So once you are thorough with this material, you can handle any type of question, theoretical ones, numerical segments and those which require diagrammatic representation. And as far as numerical component is concerned, we have worked out the sums for chapter wise. For instance, for Keynesian topic, we have the marginal propensity to consume, which is worked out. We have around 3 or 4 sums in that. Likewise, in the segment on macro models also, where required, sums have been added. So, in other words, the Bharadwaj material is holistic and comprehensive, covering the theoretical segment, numerical segment and graphical representation from all the 4 sectors. So this 50 hours of learning which you attend in the class is more than sufficient for a good preparation and for a high score in the examination. Thank you.